Hi, and welcome back to the Save It for Parts channel. Today, we're saving this from the dumpster. So a friend came across a free ad on Craigslist for the entire Playland from this shuttered fast food restaurant. And it was for the entire Playland. So all this structure, all these tubes, everything here. So this is going to be a big job to move, but a few of us have gotten together and we've rented a trailer, we've got a big van, and we have a weekend in which we can take this apart and take it away with us. So we're going to give it our best shot.
Oh, this will be great. Woo!
Yeah, I can lower it. It's not too heavy.
Okay. Well, that's one.
Here she goes.
Oh.
Pew, pew, pew.
That's exactly where I'm at.
There it goes.
Let's hold it as wedge.
All right, so we've worked on this all night, and we have about half of it down. Some of it is on the ground here, and then some of it is out in a trailer ready to go to Sandland. So I think we're gonna call it a night for now, and we're gonna come back to this tomorrow and try to get the rest of that structure down. All right, another day, and we're back at it again.
Alright, I got the balls loaded up here in the play place. See, they're well secured. Took some massaging to get them in here, but you know, you can't have a good play place without them. So it's a good thing we didn't neglect the balls.
All right, so some of these units will not fit out the door because apparently they built the restaurant around the Playland. So we are currently disassembling a window with permission and able to get the largest pieces out of the building.
I think that's pretty safe.
Get to the chopper! Okay, it's the end of day 2, and we have all of the plastic human hamster tubes out of the Playland. So all we have left is the metal structure. And we've been doing basically nothing but this for 2 days now. So it's a lot of work to move a Playland out of an abandoned fast food restaurant. All right, so this is the third and last day that we can be in here tearing this down. And if we're not done by today, all this gets cut up and scrapped. So we're gonna get back to it and see how much of the metal we can get taken down.
Mega!
All right, we finally have all of the metal structure lowered to the ground and almost everything loaded. And in case you ever wondered how dirty is a fast food play structure, it is really filthy in there. There is hair, there are coins, there are straws, there are all kinds of gross things. French fries, cigarettes. This thing must have been up long enough that when it was first built, kids were allowed to smoke indoors, because there are a surprising number of cigarettes in this thing. We have even managed to get all of the Play Place colorful tables. So they're actually nice, all plastic and metal, so those should be decent enough outdoor picnic tables. So it is now completely empty and very, very echoey. We are not getting these mats because they are glued down. They are almost impossible to remove, and they're pretty gross. But other than that, this place is an empty shell of what it once was.
I'm like concerned about them. It's like, it's pretty obviously they're carrying stuff down in here. I'm like,
So that's how you take down a free fast food Playland. And this thing was about 1,200 square feet, so that is literally bigger than my house. And it only took 3 9-hour days. So we've moved this out to Sandland, where we previously parked an old zoo monorail, and where we're currently digging some underground tunnels. Now, we won't be reassembling this probably until spring or summer when the snow goes away, but when we do, I will be sure to film it. So stay tuned for that sometime in the next few months. And in the meantime, check out some of my other videos, and feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.